Well met, explorers. I'm Lorema Sayre with week 2 of an introduction to faith titled How Does Faith Work? If you're new here, you might want to check out any previous weeks before continuing. These beginner friendly guides are not in a strict order, but a thoughtful flow that directs you through step by step in exploring faith for the first time or for building a stronger foundation. So, how does faith work? It comes down to God loves us and He wants a healthy relationship with us, so He gives us choice. He will not force us to do anything. That is the love He gives us. He is inviting us to join Him and participate in our spiritual formation and growth. Trusting and obeying are the choices we can give Him in return to show our love. We grow and mature in faith through disciplines, which include prayer, personal study, practice, and mentoring others. There are many ways to practice these, and I encourage everyone to find what allows God to speak loud and clear to them. There are no concrete answers for our own faith journey, except growing closer to God. Any guidance given or received should provide a framework or direction in how to create one so we can discover our own path that God has created and prepared for us. Be curious about how God shows up in all our lives. It's not about having all the answers, it's about asking the tough questions even when we have doubts and fears. So, what is spiritual formation? I had to look this up for myself as well. It's the lifelong process of deepening one's relationship with God and self by opening our hearts to a deeper connection with Him. Who we are and who we are in Jesus is always being revealed as we live. For example, in RPGs, there's almost always a prophecy that draws the player into a quest they've fully embraced, forgotten, or just don't want. They explore the world and discover lore, places, and people along the way. Faith is the journey that leads the player to level up by finding the skills and gear to reach the end game. Over the next week, I invite you again to research and think about what was offered today. If you're comfortable, please share your questions and thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear how this spoke to you. There's always the possibility to have a further discussion covering each of these videos if anyone is ever interested. As we seek the kingdom and share this quest, each and every one of you are welcome here. And so are any doubts, questions, frustrations, or concerns you might have. I appreciate you taking time to watch as we explore this journey together.